Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm hitting Lovell Canyon, just outside of Mountain Springs, on your way to Pahrump, coming from Vegas. Never been out this way before. As you turn off the main highway, I've noticed that some paved road. So I'm not airing down yet. I'm gonna see how far this goes until I have to air down. So come along with me. Should be a great day. Yeah, so far leading back in here, we've been driving for a couple minutes, paved road. Cannot beat the scenery though. You can tell you're coming up in elevation when you start to see all the trees starting to change. You're getting the pines and all that. So, got some low-lying clouds. Just had some rain last night. Ooh, here we go. It's now officially snowing on us. Here's Rip. Trying to grab some snow. And the cool thing about coming out here to do a little camping is you have a two-wheel drive vehicle, no issues, because you don't even have to air down. It's paved. And I've been driving now for 5 minutes and still all paved. Thought I'd just sit here for a second, kind of enjoy the snow coming down. Alright, so we're at this little intersection right here. It's about, I don't know, 7 minutes of driving. You can go straight, and that'll take you on another little loop that's called Lovell Wash Road, or you can stay on this paved road that kind of takes you around. I like using the Onyx map, so, you know, you get up on the Onyx map, that'd be kind of cool. If you go straight, you got to stay to the right, and then it'll take you back over to Lovell Canyon Road. But because I haven't been out here before, I'm just going to stay on Lovell Canyon Road because I'm curious to see how far this goes paved. So remember where I stopped for the dirt road ahead, and then, you know, staying on the paved road. You can still see I'm on the paved road. Now we're coming up to a wash area that looks like that's where that dirt road would bring you back to Lovell Canyon. So this right here where the yellow sign's coming up, this is where that other road would bring you back over here. So you get right back up onto the paved road. And here we are. 11 minutes into the drive and we're still on the paved road. So you can see that snow still coming down, and I'm quite surprised. This is paved. This is paved a lot. There's another little turn off to the right back there. Looks like it kind of just goes back a little ways and it dead ends according to Onyx. And there's another one coming up on the right hand side. Looks like you can take that for a little ways. And then it kind of loops back around. It looks like it might bring you back onto the paved road. Again, mapping systems are important when you guys are out here, especially if you're out here doing it solo, if you've never been out somewhere before. So make sure you get a good mapping system, whether it's Onyx or another one, and then try to review it before you head on out so you kind of get a general idea. Because some of the spots you get out into, you don't have cell service. So if you don't have the maps downloaded to your phone or your other devices, then you can kind of get stuck somewhere and not know where you're going. And on that note, just to kind of see, I got my Onyx map running up on my phone. Onyx, and you can just play it onto your CarPlay for your Jeep. And then I also have a Garmin as a backup because that's satellite related. So if I'm ever in cell service or out of cell service, I still have a mapping system. Also, I have a communicator to where if I get broken down somewhere, I can at least text on it and get somebody to come out to me. getting further up into the canyon. You can see a lot of the snow is starting to stick. We've dropped probably about 6 degrees in temperature since we've been driving. When we started off, it was 36 degrees, and now I'm at 30. Yeah, the higher up we go, we're still coming across some great camping spots up here. I just passed one that had a nice little flat area to it. You can see somebody had built some fire pits with the rocks and stuff. So yeah, if you're just trying to get away for a night, you know, maybe come up and do some camping in the snow, I highly recommend Lovell Canyon. I really can't believe how gorgeous this is. I mean, it's just white as far as you can see, low-lying clouds. Starting to get a little icy. You can tell probably on the road. So I just switched her over to 4-wheel drive. All right, just finished air down. Here we go. I always love the fact I get to make those fresh tracks. This is cool. All right, just ran into a little situation. I was trying to be cute and go put a camera outside. When I came back, I started to slip and slide everywhere. So I actually had to go into 4-wheel drive low and turn on my front and rear lockers. So let's see if I can make it up the rest of the way. Hey guys, you can see from the video in front, the video that just happened, I was starting to crest up, coming through these switchbacks. I'm not getting any grip, no traction, even in 4-wheel drive low. I'm starting to slip and slide, started to go backwards, couldn't control. No one to cut your losses. I'm out here by myself doing this solo. So if I were to get stuck and get into a jam, I have a winch, I have a shovel, I can do all that stuff, but is it really worth it? Had I done this trail before and knowing what the terrain looks like left or right, I would probably stay. Knowing that I didn't, I was able to at least slide myself back around heading back downhill. So now I'm just gonna take my time and head downhill and four-wheel drive low with my lockers on. So wish me luck, and let's see how this goes. So yeah, I don't know if you can tell in the video or not, but I'm still slipping and sliding everywhere. So on the way back down, try to follow your same tracks. If you get outside of your tracks, then you're gonna be at the mercy of whatever the snow or the mountain and the terrain wants you to do. So yeah, definitely take your time. Highly suggest don't do this on your own. That was dumb on my part, but I was all excited, wanted to get up here, wanted to see some snow, wanted to get up in the canyon. I'll definitely be coming back here though. I'll come back when the conditions are a little bit better and more favorable. But yeah, I'm hoping I'm only about 20 minutes away from getting to the bottom, so let's see how this goes. Somebody's enjoying the snow. Hey guys, I made it back down to the pavement part. I found a little turnoff. I could get inside some trees and stuff. I'm probably gonna set up my lava box, have a little fire here, enjoy the snow that's coming down. But it's probably the end of my video. But hey guys, it was fun. Didn't make it all the way, but again, lesson learned. Know what you can and cannot do when you find yourself in a predicament that, hey, I'm not sure if I can get through this. Sometimes it's best just to turn around and go back down. So hey, if you guys like this video, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up, and if you learned something or you think something that I need to learn, go ahead and hit me a comment. Trust me, I'm open to any suggestions. I'm new to this. I'm new to YouTube, as you can tell by the videos, and I'm new to being out here trying to record all this. So hey guys, have a great day, and see you on the next trail.